Stop guessing your prices. Use this simple formula. Most businesses don't fail because their product is bad. They fail because their pricing is unclear, inconsistent, or based on emotions. In this video, you will learn a simple structured pricing framework used by disciplined businesses. No hype, no theory, just a practical formula you can apply immediately, whether you are a small business owner or a startup founder. Why pricing matters? It signals value. It shapes expectations. It affects profit and growth. Pricing isn't just a number. It sends a message about your position in the market. Common pricing mistakes. Copying competitors. Pricing emotionally. Ignoring total costs. No clear profit target. No, not testing or adjusting. Many businesses price by looking at others. That ignores their own costs, capacity, and goals. Pricing based on what feels right leads to instability. Pricing needs structure, and structure creates clarity and control. The core formula: pricing equals cost plus margin plus value adjustment. Cost ensures you are not underpricing. Margin ensures sustainability. Value adjustment aligns with perceived market positioning. This formula gives you control instead of randomness. Stay until the end. I will show you how to adapt this formula for services, products, and hourly work. Step 1. Calculate your real cost. First, understand what your service actually costs you. There are two types of costs: direct costs, materials, tools, delivery, or anything used directly for the work. Indirect costs: software subscriptions, workspace, admin work, marketing. Many people only count the obvious costs and forget the hidden ones. But if you ignore indirect costs, you may think you are making profit when you are actually losing money. Step 2. Set your profit margin. After calculating your costs, decide how much profit margin you want. This margin should cover things like risk, unexpected problems or delays, reinvestment, improving totals, marketing or skills, business stability, your market position or worse, premium or budget. Profit isn't just extra money, it's what allows a business to grow, improve, and survive long term. So ask yourself, are you pricing just to cover costs or to actually build a sustainable business? Step 3. Adjust the price based on value. Not every service should have the same price, even if the cost is similar. Consider factors like complexity of the work, level of specialization required, urgency of the product, market expectations. If a service solves a bigger problem or requires expert level skill, the price should be higher. For example, a basic design task in brand strategy might take the same amount of time, but brand strategy creates far more business value, so it deserves a higher price. Product base is simple. Product pricing includes production cost, packaging and shipping, operations, profit margin, market position. If production cost increases, don't instantly raise prices. First, check your margin and overall strategy. Think before reacting. Pricing with positioning. Pricing affects the type of customers you attract. Your price decides your customer type. Low price. Focus on volume. Attracts price sensitive customers. More comparisons, more competition. Strategic pricing. Focus on value. Attracts serious buyers. Less comparison, more trust. Testing and adjustment. Pricing isn't fixed. It evolves. Monitor responses. Track conversions. Review feedback. Adjust slowly. Avoid big sudden changes. Small data-driven adjustments build pricing confidence. Pricing checklist. If you only remember one slide, remember this one. This is the skill list. Calculate real cost, set profit margin, choose positioning, apply the formula. Test and improve. Pricing is easier when you follow steps. Structure removes guesswork. Stop guessing. Use a clear structure. Think strategically. Apply it this week. Pricing isn't about charging more, it's about charging right. Apply this framework to one real product or service you are selling right now. Thank you very much.